Now, for the anti-aliasing, we're gonna dial down the TAA quality to medium, to make things extra smooth. Let's also turn on FXAA. Next up, we gotta talk about resolution scaling. Find that setting and crank it up based on what I'll show you in the video. This should give things a nice boost in detail. Finally, to really make the world pop, let's crank the parallax occlusion quality all the way to ultra. This adds some serious depth to the environment. Once you've made these adjustments, hit apply and jump back into the game to see the difference. Now listen, these settings might not be perfect for everyone. So, if you're feeling adventurous, feel free to play around with them further within the same menu. Tweak things to your liking and see what works best for you. And hey, if you're still having trouble getting that perfect image quality, don't be shy. Leave a comment below and let's see if we can figure it out together. Alright, so this method should be a bit more reliable for everyone compared to the last one. Remember, my goal is to give you the best solutions without any fancy tricks. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you get that picture-perfect Red Dead experience, hit that like button. Dislikes are always welcome too, as long as they're constructive. Until next time, happy trails.